Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I am going to tell you about variable and data types in Scala. So let's talk about the variables in Scala. In general, variable is a name to represent a memory location. By using that name, you can access the value of that memory location. So in Scala, basically there are two types of variables, that is mutable variable and immutable variable. So let's talk about mutable variable. Mutable variable in Scala is a type of a variable for which the signed value can be changed later. It's like we can modify the initial assignment of that variable, and we can modify the initial assigned value of that particular variable in case of mutable variable in Scala. So, and one more thing is a mutable variable can be created by using a var keyword. I'll show you an example so that you can get a better idea. So let's create a mutable variable. Let's type is integer type. Let's say it's 10. Now you can see 10 is assigned to x right now. Let's say I'm modifying that value. Let's say 20. Now you can see the value of x is now changed to 20. So the initial assignment was 10, now the assignment is 20. So we can modify the initial assignment of that mutable variable in Scala. So let's talk about immutable variable in Scala. Immutable variable in Scala is a type of variable for which the value can't be changed once it is assigned. So we cannot change the initial assignment of that variable. That's like we can't modify the initial assigned value of an immutable variable like constants in other languages. So it's similar to constants in other languages like C, C++, Java. There was a concept of constant. It's similar to immutable variable in Scala. So an immutable variable can be created by using a keyword val. So let's say I'm creating an immutable variable by using a val keyword. Let's say the variable name is name and it's of string type. Let's say the initial assignment is Scala. Now you can see Scala is assigned to a variable name. Now I will modify that value. Let's say it's Java. Now you can see you are getting the error reassignment to val. So reassignment to val is not possible. So this is the concept of immutable variable in Scala. So that's all about mutable and immutable variable in Scala. So now let's talk about data types. Data type is used to specify a particular type of data that a variable holds. For example, here var x holds 10. So this is the integer type of data. Here I have mentioned that int. This is the integer type of data. And here name contains Scala. And this is a string type of data. One more thing is that Scala doesn't contain the concept of primitive data type. Each and every type is considered as object in Scala, and each type of data is assigned, that is treated as object. And we define the data type where the first letter of that data type is capital letter. So like int, here I is capital, and here string s is capital. So like this. Now here is a list of data types present in Scala. These are the data type name like boolean, byte, short, char, int, long, float, double string. So these are the default values, and these are the size. That's all about variable data types in Scala. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.